All right, we're back and we're gonna make the most anticipated recipe that Katie and I have been talking about for over a year now.
Yeah.
We're gonna make lasagna, and she's gonna show us how her and her mom make lasagna.
This is how me and my mom make lasagna.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Okay, so we're gonna use this whole thing. Okay. Whole thing, all of it.
Tofutti brand cream cheese.
All of this deliciousness. Delicious.
Put that right in there.
Can I do it too? You put the rest of that in. So we're gonna put this delicious tofu in, and then we're gonna crumble it up.
Ooh, that sounds good. Cooking with the kids.
So we're usually gonna like crumble it up with a fork.
So your mom said you can just crumble that up with your hands, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to press it. Just get the water out.
Yeah, we just get all the water out, and then we just dump
Boom.
it in.
Dump it in.
Boom.
Just dump it in. And then break. This is the fun part, right? You break
just
it up.
washed your hands, so.
Yeah.
You don't want those grimy kid hands without being washed, so that's important.
They were all sticky from eating
You
those
got
candy
it.
apples.
You got it. We're gonna put some spices in it. Gonna make it taste good. Twice as nice garlic powder.
Can I do one?
Onion powder.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. Now this is garlic powder.
Okay. Follow your heart, vegan A's.
And then she's just gonna put a scoop of that in.
You're gonna put a scoop of that.
One
in.
more of those.
One more of those. So let's do this. Ready? We'll go like this. We're gonna scoop off of there,
Can I do that?
and then get another scoop for me. Get that vegan A's right in there. Pull that. Be careful. Yeah, you almost splashed that all over your mom's face. Okay, here we go.
We use fine sea salt usually. Here, Charlotte, you can put
Oh,
this in.
she's letting you put the salt in. You want to put the salt in?
And then
The salt and sea. Oh, there you go. Nice. Look at that. It's coming together, and it's smelling all kinds of good.
yeah.
How about a teaspoon? So, teaspoon right there. Get the teaspoon.
Nothing's in here.
By the way, doesn't that smell really good? Smell that, and then put it right in there. Look at that. She did it. Now, how much of that are you gonna put in? 2 squirts. Squirt, squirt. Squirt. That's probably 2 right there. And squirt. That's good.
Alright, that's good.
That's way good. No more. That's gonna make it bad. What do we got there, Katie?
This is a fourth cup of nutritional yeast.
Nutritional yeast.
And we like to use the Wegmans. Hey!
Now we got the whole thing. Okay. So now
We're done with our
we gotta probably
mixture,
stir this
and
up a
then
little
we're just
bit,
gonna
right?
Stir this up.
Yeah, you can stir it. It's hard to stir.
We're all gonna take turns stirring.
We're all gonna get it stirred. I even get to stir.
Alright, so next we're gonna make this all come together.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea.
Alright, Charlotte, it's Uncle Chris's turn.
I guess I'll stir it a little bit. We'll get that all from the bottom, get all those flavors in there.
And
now,
sometimes I like to get spoonfuls of this and just sneak it in when my mom's not looking.
so now her mom knows. Okay, now what do we do?
Now, we just put it all together.
Okay. Oh, she likes to do that too. That was a secret. I won't tell anyone that she likes to do that. Don't tell. Here, you want me to open it? I'll open it.
So we have this ragu sauce.
Ragu sauce.
We get the
Take a little bit of
chunky
Bleh.
garlic sauce, kind of. And then we're
She's gonna pour a little bit on the bottom.
That's enough.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Now we need a spoon.
Just
Now spread it out. All even.
We have this brand Good and Gather.
Good and Gather. That's from Target, I think.
It's from like Target and
Yeah.
Tops. You can get it at Target and Tops. That's what the noodles look like.
Okay, so we're gonna put that in here.
Yep.
Here, we'll see how she does this. Ready? Put this over
So we're
here.
just gonna put. Oh,
Ooh, it doesn't fit like that.
Mom.
Turn the other way.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Can I have a napkin
Oh, Katie needs a napkin.
again for my fingers?
Okay. Put that in
This
just
is like the
right there.
fifth napkin for my fingers today.
Like that. There you go. That was a good one. There you go. Now, no, grab that piece. Look at this. Perfect.
I thought this was in.
No, that's the garbage one. So now you put a little bit of the filling on it, I believe.
Now we put the filling.
Some more sauce.
And then we just keep repeating it until it's
Yeah.
like completely done. Do you think we got enough?
Yeah, probably.
I don't
There.
to watch that.
Oh, you don't want to eat that raw. I'll help you. No crumbles. You could put crumbles in it.
You can. Just the tofu mixture.
That looks good. Now you put a little bit more sauce in it. Nope, this is the one.
I want to put it in. I want to put it in. I want to put it in. No, Charlotte.
You gotta be very careful when you do it. Are you sure you can do it?
You're gonna read.
You just gotta put a tiny bit in.
I think you're gonna put too much in.
Be very careful. Ooh, that's too much. Wait, hold on.
No! No
Hold on.
more.
Hold on. We need to. Yeah. Let me do this, and then Katie can.
I usually use about a jar and a half of sauce
There
for
you
the
go.
whole.
We'll wait for the next time, and then you can put more on. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this other piece right here. We're gonna put that down.
And then we'll just keep taking these.
Yeah. You wanna break this right here?
Yeah.
Break that right off.
Hey,
I'll hold it. You break it. Just bend it. There you go. And then we'll put that right there, like that. And now we need more of this.
And then we need more of that. And then we'll just keep topping it off.
Okay, so we got all that like that. And now Katie, we need to put more sauce on it. That's good.
I'll go over here, Charlotte can go over there.
And get it in that corner too. Nice and careful. Now we need more noodles.
Couple more noodles. I'll break the noodle like right about here.
Right there.
Okay.
There you go. Push that down right in there.
Right.
Put some garlic
Right
sauce
there.
on your hand.
No garlic sauce on my hand.
I put it in the soup.
Okay, so now we're done with that. So now we're just gonna put
The rest
sauce. We're gonna add sauce and cheese. We need another jar of sauce.
Okay.
There we go.
tons of sauce.
Sauce on the top. You do this side and I'll do this side. Doesn't that look good? I think your dad likes a lot of cheese. Put some more in the corner. Okay, here, let's spread that out a little bit and put some more over here. Boom.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet, because you gotta put, what is it? Tell us what it is first.
We have to put perfect pitch
Italian seasoning.
Italian seasoning.
Oops. Here, let me do it. Boom. We'll do it from like up here and we'll just kind of sprinkle it on like that. How's that cheese? Is it really good? Charlotte likes the cheese. I think we're done. Now we just put it in the oven, right?
Yeah. I'm a zombie.
Tinfoil is always tricky. There you go. Pretty good. Close it. And now 45 minutes.
And then we'll just eat it.
I usually put like 4 layers of pasta noodles in, so just depends on how much sauce. Sometimes I do more than, if I'm making a big thing, I might do a little more extra tofu so we have more, but.
We didn't use enough layers there, but we ran out of filling, so it's still gonna taste good.
It's gonna be delish.
Take this out. Look at that.
All right, so we're back.
This looks so good. I mean, I want the whole thing. I'm gonna bring it home with me.
That's nacho cheese.
That's nacho cheese?
Nacho cheese.
It's not my cheese. Nacho cheese. 45 minutes to cook this. You can see the herbs are all melted in the cheese. Nacho cheese.
Do you actually want to take it home?
No, I'm not gonna take it home. It's too hot. Okay, fine. I'll take it home. Goodbye.
It's nacho cheese.
That's
But the
hot.
last
That's
time-
hot. That's hot.
Let's give you a piece.
Hopefully this comes out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Boom. Okay. It fell apart a little bit, but I was gonna put it up by the camera and show the folks at home. You're gonna burn yourself. She's like me. She takes after me. She can't let it cool off. All right, here we go. It's really hot. Charlotte doesn't look like she's interested. I'm gonna try a piece. Are you silly?
And Oliver's first word.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Guys, you see how simple that was from the filling to just putting it together. So thank you, Katie, for showing us how to do that. And thanks to your mom. That was a really good recipe for lasagna. So if you guys are looking for a quick, easy recipe, maybe you got kids, put this together, throw it in the oven for 45 minutes. Boom, you got dinner for 7. Dinner for 7.
Good for leftovers.
But you should check out my channel and his channel. Definitely his channel.
Hold on.
He's got a lot of great videos.
Thank you. Are you going to do more videos on your channel?
Yeah.
Well, finally got your lasagna video. I'm happy. It tastes delicious. You guys should try it. And thanks, Katie. And thank you, Charlotte. Stay safe. Watch out for zombies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And enjoy the lasagna if you make it.
Watch out for zombies. You never know.
You should check out his other channel, Chris Cooney, because one of his videos, he actually met Bill Nye for science fans.
If you're a science fan, yeah, I met Bill Nye. He's in one of my videos, and Issa gets him to do duck face. So if you want to see Bill Nye doing duck face, go watch that video. I'll have to link it below for you now that Katie mentioned it. All right, guys. I'll see you. I'm taking my cheese.
Hey, not your cheese!
Not my cheese. All right, see you guys.